As the world watches the fluctuations in the global oil market, Canada finds itself in a precarious position. With the threat of tariffs looming, oil watchers predict that inflation risks will stave off the imposition of these tariffs. But what does this mean for the Canadian economy? In recent months, the Canadian government has been considering imposing tariffs on imported oil products. The move is intended to protect the domestic oil industry, which has been struggling to compete with cheaper imports. However, the plan has been met with resistance from various stakeholders, including consumer groups and businesses that rely on imported oil products. According to oil watchers, the main reason why the Canadian government may not go ahead with the tariffs is the risk of inflation. With the global economy already facing inflationary pressures, the addition of tariffs could push prices even higher. This would be particularly problematic for Canadian consumers who are already feeling the pinch of higher living costs. Furthermore, the imposition of tariffs could also have unintended consequences on the Canadian economy. For instance, it could lead to retaliation from other countries, which could harm Canadian exports. It could also disrupt supply chains and lead to shortages of certain products. In light of these risks, oil watchers believe that the Canadian government will likely put the tariff plan on hold. Instead, the government may choose to focus on other measures to support the domestic oil industry, such as providing financial incentives or investing in infrastructure. As the Canadian government navigates this complex issue, one thing is clear: the fate of the oil industry and the broader economy hangs in the balance. The decision on tariffs will have far-reaching consequences, and it is crucial that policymakers get it right. In conclusion, the interplay between oil prices, inflation, and tariffs is a delicate one. As Canada grapples with the challenges of the global oil market, it must carefully consider the potential risks and benefits of imposing tariffs. By doing so, the government can ensure that the Canadian economy remains strong and resilient in the face of uncertainty.